Guys, I'm so excited. Now we're going to make quality content. Alright. Hello everyone. I just bought my DJI Pocket tray and then I'm about to unbox it. The combo set together with the XD card. Everything cost me about 800 USD in total. Join me, let's unbox it and then let's see how it looks like. So this is my receipt that I paid for it. And then so let's unbox it, guys. Come with me. Let's do this. So this is it. And then we have this one. And some others. Okay. Guys, I'm so excited. Now we're going to make quality content. Okay. Yeah. So this is it. This one is the USB charger, the cable. So this is the extra battery. This one is the DJI mic. And then we also have the gimbal stand. You plug this one and then put the gimbal. Here's the cable. So this one is the wind protector. You plug this. Yeah, this one is a gimbal, the stand. So let's unbox everything and see how it looks like. Okay, so this one is the wide angle lens. Okay, so we have that too. And then here we have the DJI mic magnetor. So this one, when you plug it, you can use this to stick it up and then you can look at the content. Okay guys, this is the deal here. This is the stuff. This is the real thing here, you know. So let's remove the seal and then the flip. So this is how it looks like. So guys, I'll be calling the staff to come and assist me on how to set it up and all that. Alright guys. Friend, please can you help me out? Let's set it up.
Right.
Okay.
So this is your pocket tray.
Yeah.
Okay. So the first thing first, you need to download the apps from your phone.
Okay. So the app you need to download is the app you need to download is the DJI Mimo. So this is the app. I just downloaded it.
Okay. So you join project, everything.
Join project.
Yeah.
Allow.
Allow. Then
Allow.
and you need to scan the thing, like activate this one. Just go there.
So let's bring this closer. So
Okay.
can we be seeing what we're doing? So you can see what we're doing.
So you need to go the camera icon here. So you turn on your Bluetooth. Okay. And you need to find out this FEF to connect. And this one you can use as the remote, which is can stand alone this camera, but you can control it from your
here.
phone. Yeah. So how it looks like. So we attach this one first. Let's agree.
Okay.
So for example, this one, attach this, and we mount on this tripod. So you need to allow the access.
Okay. Allow
Okay,
the access.
next. Yeah.
Yes.
And log in. Or need to register first. If you have a
DJI.
email, you can using the same email like DJI Fly.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Right. So you knock now first, and then activate.
Okay.
Once you activate, go there. So connect. Agree, and then allow. Next. Activate. So they will prompt up like this.
Okay.
Okay, prompt up like this to activating your pocket tree.
So it's activating now, huh?
Yep.
So once it's activated, I can control it with my phone.
Yeah.
So I
Then
can
you
just keep this one here,
Yeah.
and then I can control it wherever I'm going.
Yeah.
If I move, it's going to move, right?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So you can skip the questionnaire. So get started. Right. So this is a memo that we show up like yeah. Okay. So next, join.
Okay.
So if you update the firmware to yeah, so it will come up like this to update. So when you purchase, you need to update first. If not, you can later on update. Up to you guys.
Okay.
Okay, use the my Wi-Fi.
So it's updating like
Yeah.
this also. So
This. So you just wait until 100%.
until 100, okay. All right. So guys, we have to wait until it gets to 100%. Connect the mic.
The mic you need to connect. You need to turn on the side button there. You just hold press. Okay, automatically it will prompt up from here. So the mic already turned on and connected, which is already connected. Okay, so if you want to turn on the noise cancellation, you just press once on the button power on. Just press, the color it will change.
So this one is what?
Noise cancellation.
Noise cancellation.
Yeah, if you turn on once, they will
Okay.
change blue color. Blue color is noise cancellation.
Okay.
So if for example you shoot the video, got alert surrounding crowd, so you can turn on this.
So where do we press?
You press once on this button.
After it's on, you press
Yeah.
it once.
Yes.
Okay.
It's once, you will change color. If you
Okay.
press once again, it
This
changes
is back
blue
to
color.
normal.
Yeah.
Okay.
To turn off, you just long press this button. So automatically disconnected. How to see it's connected or not? Okay, you go there, okay, setting, and then you turn on. Automatically it prompt up here. Mic is connected. Yeah.
Okay.
So when I turn off, yeah.
Then it's off. Okay. So how about the screen, the wide angle lens? How do they use?
We just,
And what is it for?
Okay, this one for the wide angle lens is magnetic. So you just put from here, it will magnetic. So yeah. So it become white, not too much the white, but it looks different when you attach the wide angle lens. So when I do here, see, it a bit not too much but yeah, something like that. Okay.
Okay. So what else again? What about
This one
this?
for the case. For example, if you want to not to use anymore, you can put here on the protective case. Okay, like this. This is the same. Okay.
So what is this for?
And this one for the battery handle, which is, for example, you go travel, not battery. So this one for the standby for the additional battery. So the battery last can use 1 hour only.
This one extra 1 hour.
Yes.
So what about the original battery? How long does it take?
Original battery is around 2 hour plus.
2 hours original
Yeah.
battery.
So normally when you go outside, there's no battery. You just slot in the battery handle there, right? So it will prompt up like this. Okay. Yeah. So you can see.
Okay, that's the percentage.
Yeah,
So if I want to remove it, how do I do?
So you just press it on this button. Just gently press. Yeah.
Okay. And then you put this.
This one for the mount on the tripod. Okay, this one is nothing, it's not battery. So
Okay.
you just attach like this. Yeah. Screw up, and then you can stand alone there. Yeah. Easy.
Alright.
Yeah.
So, does it have warranty?
It's a 1 year.
card
This
for?
one for the sticker, and then you got a manual work, and then yeah. So yeah, I think that's it.
That's it. Okay. Alright.
Wait.
So, guys, that's it. You've heard from the horse's mouth. The guy has already explained, the staff has already explained how to use the DJI Pocket 3. So, guys, thank you guys for watching. Alright, so let's go shooting, guys. Let's go shooting for quality content now, guys. Alright, bye.